Print with white ink on the HP Latex R Printer Series from the IPS or internal print server. Prepare a job in the RIP by selecting the desired print mode. Overflood if you want the white layer printed on top of the coloured layer. Underflood if you want the white layer printed under the coloured layer. Spot if you want the white ink printed at the same time and in the same way as the other inks. If you do not select a layer as white, the job surface fills the entire surface in white, following the print mode you chose. Open the IPS and then go to the queue management screen. Load the prepared job. Touch print. White ink is more dense than other ink and tends to settle over time. The printer has a recirculation system that moves white ink constantly to avoid printhead damage. For periods of time when you're not using white ink, store the white ink printheads in the white printhead maintenance wheel. Open the printhead cleaning roll door. On the white printhead maintenance wheel, press the stop button to stop all wheel movement. With the wheels off, remove the two printhead storage boxes. Open each storage box and remove the auxiliary white printhead. From the IPS, touch Replace. Open the carriage cover. Remove the two white printheads from the carriage. Open the storage boxes and place the white printheads in the boxes, using the labels for reference. Place both storage boxes back into the wheel. Press the wheel button to turn on the wheel. Install each auxiliary white printhead into the carriage in place of the white printheads. Use the labels to verify correct placement. Install the auxiliary white printhead vertically in the same direction as the fluid interconnector to avoid damage to the printhead and printer. Close the carriage cover. You can leave the white printheads in the maintenance wheel for any period of time. To use them again, reverse the storage procedure. Never turn off the printer when the white ink upgrade kit is installed. White ink cartridges or auxiliary white printheads should remain permanently installed in the carriage, even if you are not currently using white ink in your jobs.